The Grooverider. Yeah, the original Hill and Gully Rider inside tonight. Welcome along. It's the Christmas box. Okay. Listen good.
Tonight,
Hill
you
and
are
Gully.
going to hear the most cantankerous,
Hill and Gully.
roughneck, poisonous someplace
Hill
you ever
and Gully.
heard.
Hill and Gully Rider. Oh, oh, Hill and Gully Rider. Blow.
Yo, touch Josie, one. On the turntables you have DJ Grooverider. On the turntables you have. On the turntables you have DJ Grooverider. On the turntables you have. On the turntables we have DJ Grooverider. What my jugglers then? Jugglers, what?
Men on one. Special dedication to all little man.
What?
Special dedication to all little.
Read it up, Rider.
When I prep bullets, bullets, come again, rude boy.
Go on, we are there. Blessed love every time.
Tonight, you are going to hear the most cantankerous,
Blazing.
roughneck,
All the
poisonous
sing-along crew,
someplace
hold
you
tight, you know.
ever heard.
Somebody make some noise! We salute all the roast massive.
On the turntables you have DJ Grooverider. On the turntables you have The Living Shop. On the turntables you have DJ Grooverider. On the turntables you have The Living Shop. What? Tell ya.
Oh, illegally rider. Listen, good, all the sing-along massive who know the words. Idiots about the shot.
Men. Special dedication to all little man.
All jugglers. Brothers, all jugglers.
A massive is a follow me now. Men on one. Special dedication to all the woman. Special dedication to all the woman. Follow me now, massive is a follow me now.
Renton right inside, you know. Hill and Gully Rider. Hill and Gully Rider. Sing along massive.
Whoa, Funky Paul, listen.
Yeah. Original bad boy style. Original bad boy style. Original bad boy style. Rolling up and moving on the cool profile. Original.
Pull up your stuff.
Original bad boy style. Original. Listen good. Hey.
Once your all jugglers is looking fine.
We got the license, the burial license, the thrill. We got the license, the burial license, the thrill.
One time, Greg, you don't know. Feel it. I got to step in, ladies and gentlemen.
Very big Joe Rider from day one. Hook and don't screw, we play another chapter. Bullets. Lash that road boy baseline. He done got it right and showing up the sign. Up to yourself, you and man. Up to yourself, you and man. Outside Jessica, Southeast 10. We're showing them again, move them again. style that we play, that we rock it again. Now we come to make it up, we rock the flow. Grooverider, busting up the bad boy flow. It's about the shop, got you moving in. With my lyric fire, got you raving. Hey!
Yo, actually, outside Tanya. All my junglers inside. Outside Linda, outside Lisa. Outside Nicky, Trisha. Outside Jane. What? Outside Barbara, and love your sister. Outside Sue. Outside Melissa. Listen. Who gets it? Who gets it? Who gets it? No man. Who gets it? Who gets it? How when we set it, no boy can't take it, set it. You're not so dead, man, you know we like to break it. When we set it, no boy can't take it, set it. No fighter makes a moves and ride up a fly direct. How when we set it, no boy can't take it, set it. Now here's something, Rosie, always keep it legit. Once again, guys, to the RIP them. What's that sausage?
Down for the Grooverider, down for the Grooverider, down for the Grooverider, down for the Grooverider, man.
What's that gonna happy?
Free Grooverider, got you now rocking. Make Grooverider, got you just rock that case. Everybody rolling with the Ozone race. Starting come to match up the hardcore race. Homie got you moving to the bad boy bass. Ladies come to one up the bad boy waist. Champagne drinking, rolling right in. Ganja smoke, we rancing right in. Here we go, we're rolling with the lyrical flow. Mr. Rider, flow.
You want to say outside Lisa? Don't know sister, it's the most of love. Come on, jungle, it's inside. Outside Andrea, Ashley. Bitch. What? Yeah, Kingsley Everton. Antidote up front, ASAP. Come once again, Kingsley Everton. Antidote up front, ASAP. Our celebrities tonight.
Down for the Grooverider.
Listen. It's the...
Hold on, man. Quick, you want to forward. Free Grooverider time to raise it up and come again. So we're showing them, you know, chapter 2 of the road. Are you ready for some blood clot jungle techno?
Once again to our jungle, Sunday Road jungle. It's the way. Yes, sing it if you know the notes. Yeah, feel good. Where's the Janet? Where's the sister? Who the Claudine? Yo, Captain.
Jungle stay hold tight. So, each up, step up. On it, turn up.